Hi, this is Alessio. Hope you're well. In this particular video, I want to talk to you about a cryptocurrency, or I should say crypto token, that might be about to reverse trend. In other words, potentially reverse from a downtrend to an uptrend. This particular crypto or crypto token is called EOS. Now, I know there's some people who are watching this video right now, and as soon as they hear the word EOS, they're probably thinking, oh man, come on, that's garbage. Now, let me just say that everybody has their own opinion about a particular cryptocurrency. I understand that. But let me just say, as for me, I don't really care about the fundamentals that much. I personally care more about the technicals, what I see on the charts. For me, that is far more reliable. But also I should say that I've spoken to very smart people, more smart people about the fundamentals than me when it comes to these markets. And they tell me they quite like EOS. And you know what? They might be right, they might be wrong. But the fact is, I'm not a fundamentals guy, I'm a technicals guy. All right, guys, so let's take a look at the chart of EOS here on Kraken. And here's some of the reasons I want to show you why I'm getting interested in this particular crypto. Firstly, as you can see here, the EOS price chart has come down to a key level. Let me just draw this back so you can see it more clearly. You can see here, EOS, after this quite very nice rally, we can see here, EOS managed to drop down to its previous highs. As you can see here, the previous 2019 and 2018 highs there. And the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement. So that's the blue line you see right there, the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement. Held this level, and here's what's interesting. As EOS was approaching that support level, here's what it did. So you will see, as it was approaching this support level, we had positive divergence, so bullish divergence here on the chart. It also managed to bounce off this level, and as you can see here, this is what's interesting. So what's interesting is that it's managed to bounce off support by the 3 level. It's gone above that level, and it's also gone above this red line, this dashed red line here. That is a key support level that EOS had formed there, as you can see. And it's now gone back. You can see it's gone back above that resistance, which is also quite a bullish sign. We also can see a crossover of 2 moving averages. We see the 8 EMA has gone above the 21 EMA. So that's the red line going above the 21, the blue line right there. Also another bullish signal. Again, also with the bullish divergence. So there's a number of things here coming on the charts that are pointing to a potential reversal of trend. These are some of the things I look for on the chart in order to identify a potential reversal in the trend. By the way, if I switch this chart to a 2-day chart, you will also see on the 2-day chart, we also have a likely bullish divergence on this chart here as well. Now going back to our daily chart here of EOS, again, there is absolutely no certainty. I want to make sure this is very clear. There are no certainties in any market. This is only a probability. What I'm saying here is there seems to be an increasing probability based on the facts I've already mentioned that there may be a potential reversal in the trend on EOS from a downtrend to a potential uptrend here. Now, as you can see here, I've actually drawn that red line, that dashed red line, for a reason. Because if EOS were to drop below this red line, in other words, if it were to drop below the support level now, 3.4, that could indicate I'm wrong about this. So in other words, guys, if EOS were to drop below the support at 3.4, and especially if it were to fall back to its previous lows, about the 3 level here, if it were to fall back to its previous lows, that could indicate, in fact, that I'm wrong about this. That would essentially be my stop. So in other words, guys, as we know already, there are no certainties in any market, and therefore, if EOS is going to show any signs of a bullish reversal, it needs to stay above, firstly, 3.4, and more importantly, it needs to stay above this previous low that it formed here as well. All right, so if we're going to see a bullish reversal or uptrend, it needs to not only break above the 55 EMA, but it also needs to take out its prior resistance as well. If it can take out both these levels and its previous high resistance, it could increase the probability that EOS could be making a bullish reversal. All right, guys, so I just want to mention before I finish the video that this video is not a recommendation to buy or sell any cryptocurrencies, including EOS, and also that there's a significant risk of loss.